So hello friends, my name is Animes and in this video section I am going to explain the complete data types in Python, right? So before going writing the code, let me tell you that what interpreter I am using. So this is my Jupyter notebook, and in this complete Jupyter notebook I am going to write my this complete code, right? So before just writing the code, you have to first create a one file and just give the name to the file as a data type, right? So I here created one file and I given the data type to the file name. The question is here, sir. First I am going to show you that what is the comment line, right? So what is the comment line? So the comment line is something like, suppose if you are writing a code in your project, right, and you wanted to say something about that particular snippet of code, right, what this code will do for you. So for that, the we have a comment section concept in our Python. So for writing a comment section, so we have a two type of comments, like a single line comments, and multiple lines comment, right? So in Jupyter notebook, multiple line comments writing is not so easy because it not support multiple line comments, but in but single line comment uh, is very easy to define in Jupyter notebook, right? So for defining the single line comment, you can see we are using the hash key, and by using this hash key we can write a single line comment. Okay, so suppose if I want to write a function, that is the print is also a built-in function, right? So I written here, this is my comment line right? So this is my comment line. So you will see that this will work as a this will, if I am going to run this, is this I will get the output. But what if I am going to make it as a comment line? I will not get any output, right? So like this way you can make the comment line. Okay, and how to write the multiple lines of comment? Suppose in a C in our Python programming language, we have a multiple line comment as a Docstring. So you can also write a Docstring. So suppose I define a one function, that's a def fun1, that is my function name, and my function is not getting any parameter. And next line which we are getting, that is the Docstring part. So here I can give the multiple line comment. So this is my demo function. Okay, so this is my demo function. I given the documentation, and then I given a pass. And what if I am going to write here print fun1 dot underscore talk underscore talks, right? It's a talks. So if I am going to write okay, so I got the error, no issue, let me write. So now here, like, function one dot underscore talk underscore, so this is my demo function, right? So whatever the comment line you are going to give here, that is a multiple line comment. So multiple line comments is always we write by giving the triple inverted comma, right? So by using the triple inverted comma, you can read this. So you can also change the statement of this line. This is function which which display which display the message. Okay, so you give me this name, and you are just going to make a function to be the call. So I given here function to be the print hello user, thank you for subscribing my channel. Subscribing, C I B I N G, subscribing my channel, CHIL, right? So I given this statement, and I am just going to remove this pass. And what I am going to do, I am just simply going to call my this function. I just written here the fun one, and I'm going to call this function, right? So now you will see for this particular line, I am getting this is the function which display the message. So this is message we are getting, this is the function which display the message. And here I, hello user, thank you for subscribing my channel. So hello user, thank you for subscribing my channel. So like this way we give the comment section. So the first, this is my single line comment. For giving the single line comment, we use hash key, and for multiple lines comment, we use the triple inverted comma. So where to use the multiple line comments, I already explained you that a multiple line comments, we can create a doc string. Similarly, we can create a class also. Suppose I make a class car, and I written here like this is my class. Okay, this is my class car. So I given this name, and then I make a c equal to car. This is my object, and I'm making that c print c dot underscore doc. Okay, so you will see I am getting, this is written, this is my class car, right? So this doc string is getting printed here, right? So like this way we give the multiple line comments, and we can create a document string in our code, right? So I believe now this multiple line comment is clear to everyone. Thank you.